Hey, it's Mark Podolsky, the Land Geek with thelandgeek.com. And another frequently asked question is, isn't the land market saturated? I mean, if you're training all these students, aren't we all going to just be competing with each other at some point? Those 300% margins and 1,000% margins are going to get whittled down to like nothing. And I think that's a really good question. And I actually had that same fear myself when I first started talking to my wife about teaching people about how to do this business. She said to me, well, Mark, aren't you going to create your own competition? So again, we did the math, 3,007 US counties, there's billions of acres of land for sale. You, me, millions of people could be in this niche. We're all going to run out of money before we run out of deal flow. So essentially, we have a massive market and really no one doing it. So the market is not going to be saturated. And I don't see it ever being saturated, honestly. It's the same thing, let's say, with the credit card companies and their margins. You're getting mailings every day. One of these days, you're going to be in the mood and accept one of them, and they're going to make a tremendous amount of money on that credit card. But that's the frequently asked question. The question you should have asked is on the link below, and I'll see you there.